Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Fond du Lac County and east-central Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Green Lake, or near Berlin, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, emergency management. At 1:50 p.m., 1¼ inch hail was reported along County Road B and State Road 49 just south of Berlin. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ripaw, Rosendale, Green Lake, Brandon, Lamartine, Alto, Fairwater, West Rosendale, and Lagoda. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.